Hey, it's George from the Heat 180 community, and today we're going to dive into Mysmok ISMOD II Plus. It's made in China by Mysmok Electric Technology Limited. It's a unique design, somewhat like the improved iCoast Original or the iCoast 2.4 design. It's going to set you back at $85 USD. The packaging, like I said, looks a lot like iCoast. What you get in the packaging is a warranty card, a manual, a USB cable, a cleaning brush, also very similar to the iCoast design, cleaning sticks, and obviously the device itself. The device has two components, the holder and the pocket charger. Here's what the device looks like when both holders are attached. The USB port at the bottom of the device. On the front there is a control button with LED lights. 3 LED lights above the control buttons are the pocket charger power indicator. All 3 lights mean fully charged, less lights, less charge. 2 LED lights next to the control button are the holder charge indicators. Solid blue means the holders are charged. A flashing red means it is charging. It is kind of hard to get the holders out of the pocket charger. Try rolling them out sideways instead of pulling them out. It's easier. Alright, now let's get into how to use this product. Press and hold the control button. This will light up and start flashing while it's heating. Heating takes around 15 seconds. When done, it will vibrate and the LED light will turn solid. Cycle time lasts 4 minutes and 19 seconds or 14 puffs. Very typical. Now, one good tip is keep the holder away from the pocket charger. The magnetic pull is really strong, and if it's too close, it will go back into the pocket charger. Then the cycle will be over. You can get 2.5 consecutive uses out of the holder. And the charger holds 28 uses in total before needing a fully charged. It's very good. But no temperature adjustment and no self-cleaning. Okay, let's get into how to clean. Take the cap off. Use the brush to clean the holder. The brush is curved, so easy to clean. The brush doesn't fit into the cap. Use cleaning sticks for the cap and the remaining dirt that's in there. By the way, why do some cleaning sticks have a blue line on them? If you know, let us know. When done, put the holder back into the pocket charger. Now remember, line up the metal rods on the holder and the pocket charger, or they won't charge. We will turn this one off. Press and hold the control button, then put back to the pocket charger. The LED light will flash red because it has been used. The other holding light is blue because it hasn't been used. So that's it. That's a quick review of the Mysmok ISMOD II Plus. Hope you enjoyed the review. It's George signing off from the Heat 180 community.